And hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn a Trade. My name is Kevin Tate. Glad to be here with you all today. Today, I just wanted to go over some of the career opportunities or business opportunities out there that are available. I have a lot of them listed on the website, so I'm going to share that screen with you in a few moments here, and then I just wanted to go over them again. I've gone over them in some of the past YouTube videos that you may have seen, but for those who are new to the channel or to the website, I'd like to do it again just to give a quick run through of some of the opportunities available to you, and also to let you know that I do have the links to those companies on the website for you also, so you'll be able to go direct to the link and apply to be a service provider or apply to work with the company if you're planning on working for another company. Excuse me. So let me get into it. See if I could share this with you. Here we go. This is the Learn a Trade website. Let's see if I can, there we go. And right here is the, as you see the menu there, you can go over to the blog on the website, click on the blog. It'll take you to the blog page. I have information on there for BUN technical training opportunities. You should go check that out. Just click on Learn More, and you can go there and check out the opportunities that are available through BUN as far as training classes. They have a lot of their online trainings on there that are, really good to get into. And you also would be able to find out any of their training classes, in-person training classes that they may have coming up too. So you can go right on there. And the first opportunity is the opportunity for trade contractors and service technicians. And this is with VIXO. So you can become a member. You can become a VIXO service provider. And you can watch the video first and then go to the link, click on the link, and it'll take you right to the VIXO website where you can go ahead and apply to be a service provider. Then scrolling down, I have career opportunities with Deo's First Choice. That's a coffee company. They mainly work with coffee brewers and water coolers. And they mainly place their equipment into office buildings, office buildings and cafeterias, or office kitchen areas, and they're a popular company also, and they work a lot with the Dejan Duke company as far as putting those automatic coffee brewers from Dejan Duke into these larger corporations, office buildings. And you can go there and check out the career opportunities on that site also. The link is right in there. Just click on the career opportunities link, and then it'll take you right there. And then another opportunity is you can partner with America's Same Day Service. If you're into residential repair, residential service, this is definitely a company you want to check out. You want to get in touch with, and you can go down there also and click on the link. And this company, I've done work with them in the past, and I know the owner pretty well, Ron Bass, and they're a great company. They've been in business for over 50 years now. So they know what they're doing, and they will get you calls. You will get calls, because that's the most important thing for a lot of service providers out there. If you're independent, is getting your name out there and getting calls. And another important point, which I will mention, a friend of mine that also does these type of videos, as far as independent service providers, Mike Reed's channel, New to Commercial Equipment Repair. His channel gets into a lot of these training opportunities, a lot of the service provider opportunities, and most of all, what I like about it is he really stresses you being an independent service provider, or being an independent service company, getting out, getting your information, and getting listed with these manufacturers. Because I mean, you can go out a lot and put out your cards, put out your flyers and stuff like that, but if people don't know you, if restaurants or bars, nursing homes, um, cafeterias, kitchens, if these people don't know your reputation, then it's kind of hard for them to get to know you. So it's good when they can find you on a manufacturer's website, or on a manufacturer's list of service providers. So look into that. I want to stress that to you all, that it's important to get connected with these service providers. Go to their in-person trainings when you get the opportunity to. If they're in your area, go to their in-person trainings, get to meet the trainers, and get your name out there to them, get on their list. And that's going to help you a lot with building your business and getting those calls. So back to partnering with America's Same Day Service. Check out that video also, and if you see it as something beneficial to you as an independent provider, or if you're thinking on going out on your own and starting your own thing up, this would be the perfect opportunity right here. They advertise all over the country, and when they have service providers in certain areas, you're going to get those calls, and they pay good, they pay on time, they pay you the same day you finish the service. So that's not a problem either. So definitely go there and check it out, click the link, and check out the video. And let's see, we got Bunserv is a good one too, is becoming a service provider with Bunserv. I got the application link is right here. You just, let me see, click on it. It goes right there, service provider application. Okay. So, these are things that you want to really look into if you're looking at growing your business. It goes through you can complete the whole application right there. Okay. So, don't don't slack on this stuff when it's coming to you building your business. Get your name out there. Get in touch with a lot of these places that we're putting in front of you, and this is directly on the website, so you can go right there, click the link, get started on filling out your applications. And I know a lot of times, a lot of viewers, a lot of subscribers to the channel, they'll email me, and they'll ask, they'll have questions about if they're charging enough, or if what should their rates be. um, I have to be open with you that it's mainly about you figuring out your expenses, because I can't tell you directly, like, oh, you should charge this much, your rate should be this, and stuff like that, because I don't know your financial situation. So it's best that the best advice I can give is that you look at your financial situation, you look at your expenses, your car payment or your van payment, your work truck insurance, your liability insurance, with your business insurance, your coverage. If you have other technicians that are working for you, how, what are you paying them? What's their pay rate? And your travel expenses. What radius are you going to cover in your state? Okay, take those things into consideration. Figure out your mortgage, your rent, car payments, everything, and come up with a rate that will be comfortable for you, and your family, because this is about you providing for yourself and your family. So that's the best advice I can give you. I really don't like to give a specific number, because if that's not the number that's right for you, you're not gonna make money. You're not gonna make the amount of money that you like, so, or that you need. So definitely take that into consideration when you're thinking about your rates, because all of these places will ask you what your rate is. So just prepare that stuff ahead of time, or even while you're doing the application. Take some time to consider what you're comfortable with for your rate. And then next here I have there's another company, For Real. For Real is another reputable company. It's the milkshake machines. I've done a ton of videos with the For Real machines that you can go back and look at if you want to try to get familiar with them. And again, take a look at this video introducing this opportunity with For Real. And I have their link down here to become a service provider. It's down here in the description, so you can go there. There's another link here where you can get the application form. So you just click on that link, and it'll take you to that page for the form. And I hope you all can take advantage of this information. It's right here for you. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. You can go right on this page here, on any of the pages on the website. You can go there, and you can punch in your name, your email, and the question you may have, and then just send it, and it'll get to me, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So I hope this is helpful. And like I said, reach out to me. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to reach out, and I will get back to you. So that's all I have on this, just a little short overview of the web page. So I hope you all take advantage of it. I thank you all for watching. Take care and stay blessed.